Severe floods and landslides have struck Indonesia's Sumatra island, killing at least 79 people and displacing thousands. Many regions are facing power outages and disrupted communications, making it difficult to gauge the full impact. Floodwaters remain dangerously high as rivers continue to overflow, submerging homes by up to 3 meters. Emergency teams are working tirelessly to evacuate residents trapped in flooded areas and stranded vehicles. Authorities continue to monitor the situation, coordinating rescue and relief efforts. This disaster has triggered urgent humanitarian response to aid affected communities and prevent further casualties, highlighting the ongoing vulnerability of Sumatra to extreme weather events.
Ini kan tuh biasa doang. Oh ini.